Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on mobile. First, download the Notion app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either log in to your existing account or create a new one. Take a moment to explore the intuitive mobile interface and understand its navigation. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, helping you quickly find your way around and access your important information. Now, let's create and organize your content. To add a new page, simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. You can select from a wide range of templates or begin with a blank page to customize. For better organization, arrange your pages into databases or nest them within other pages, creating a structured and easy-to-navigate workspace right from your phone. Editing and sharing on the go is straightforward. You can easily edit text, add different content blocks like images or to-do lists, and format your pages directly from your mobile device. To collaborate, share your pages with colleagues or friends, inviting them to view or edit. You have full control over permissions, ensuring your information is shared exactly as you intend, securely and efficiently. Finally, let's explore some advanced mobile features to boost your productivity. Use the quick capture option to jot down notes or ideas instantly, ensuring you never miss a thought. Your content is accessible offline, and any changes you make will sync automatically once you're back online. Plus, customize your notifications to receive timely alerts for important updates or reminders, keeping you informed and on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.